Great rubber chicken. This is not going to go well with the vegetarians in the vineyard.
Oh, it's too funny. Are you going to put him on again, or her on again?
No.
Oh.
I'm trying not to beat him up quite so much, so I could use some water.
Okay.
A bit of a spray. This forest for the darn feathers get stuck in it.
Everywhere, yeah.
Trying to figure out where the limit is on how long to keep it in there.